All right, so we are going to be learning a little bit today on how to navigate the tools that we will be using in third grade math in order to access our classroom, in order to access our Google Meet, and in order to use a link inside of those particular places where we'll be going. So the first thing that you're going to do when you come onto the computer every day is you are going to go to Google Chrome. So when you come to Google Chrome, your main screen should look something like this. So it should say Google, you have your Google Chrome feature, and so you should be able to get here, okay? So usually, depending on if you used your computer that day already or not, when you come to Google, if you're logged in as a student of Alvin ISD, then you should be able to see this box and type in there Google Classroom. If you're logged in and you type in Google Classroom, it will automatically bring you up to classrooms that you are a member of. I'm a member of many classrooms, so I'm able to see many. As a student, you are a member of my classroom and Mrs. Vaughn's classroom. So you will have the choice to either log into Mrs. Vaughn's room, which is your social studies and reading, or Miss Johnson, which is your math and science. So you click on Johnson, math and science. And when you click on Miss Johnson's math and science, you come to a page that looks like this. Okay, so this is your Google Classroom. So when we're referring classroom, this is as if you were sitting inside of the room with me. I will be putting all of your work and assignments on here. The first page says stream. So stream is just where I share different things with you. I may just say, hello class, welcome to math and science, okay? So any announcements or things like that would go over here where it says stream. Then we have classwork, okay? This is where you can find assignments for my class. So for example, I posted an assignment for you today and it says Nearpod. So if you were not ready to finish or you hadn't finished yet or you didn't even get a chance to log on, when you clicked on the Nearpod, then you will be able to see this assignment and then turn it in to me, okay? Now, whenever you come in to the Google Classroom, which is where you will come every single day, you can click this link, see, L-I-N-K, and when you click on this link, your camera will start as well. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to join the camera? Do you want to join, or exactly what do you want to do when you come on? Okay, because I'm recording this video, my camera won't come up automatically, but I do have a video that is specific about joining in. The best way for you to join is to come through this link right here. So when I join, it has some other options. If I was inviting some other students, I can do that through this link as well. But I'm not doing it at this time. So then I come in here and I say, yes, I want to have my speaker on. And then you come in and you will have this. You will have these buttons down here. You have your speaker, okay? You have your microphone. And so when you first come in, this button should always look just like this one. And it should be logged red with a line going through it. And then my camera is off. So if it's not working, it's red. If it's working, it's green, okay? And then this is where you go to hang up, but you don't want to hang up. You want to join the call, okay? At the top of your screen, you have some additional buttons. This tells you who is present, so you can always see what students have logged on. And this one is chat with everyone, okay? So when you click this box that has the 3 lines in it and it says chat with everyone, you're always gonna wanna come in here when you log on and say hello. So the first thing you'll do is you'll say, hello, class, okay? So that's the first step. Also, by you saying hello, if I have put any links in there, you'll be able to see those as well. So if there was a link in there, you would be able to see that link and then type that link. So here's my link. I said hello. Then there's a link in there. And I would press that link. Okay, so once I press that link, it would bring me to whatever website that it was meant for me to go to. So it may say Imagine Math, it may say Nearpod. You just click that link and follow it to wherever it tells you to go. Okay, so when I'm in my Google Meet, I may have more than one tab open. So for example, this is my Google Meet tab called Tab Meet. So it tells me where I'm at. Then I also have one that has my classroom open. So I can have more than one tab open at a time, which we often will do. Okay, so you have 3 things that we will be doing each day. Going to Google Classroom, clicking on our Meet link, opening up our Meet, and that's where our class will always begin. Then you may find, after you typed your hello, that there are other links that Ms. Johnson wants you to go through for that day. Okay, so these are just a few tips in order to help us be able to navigate our classroom. Another one that we will be using quite often is Nearpod.com. So when we get to the Nearpod.com, you will either be joining with the link that I put in there, or it will ask you for a code, and then you would type your code in this box that I've given to you. So you will have some options. We will be doing fun interactive learning, and I look forward to helping you guys learn how to navigate these systems. Have a wonderful day.